Well, it's Wednesday. I almost forgot to videotape this. This is the carrying beam on the slide out. It's a 13-foot slide out that was sagging right in the middle. So I took the trim these pieces off that were seamed in the middle. They had a 1-inch piece of 6-inch by full 1-inch piece of plywood behind that trim board, and they thought that was enough to carry the weight of the slide out, but it wasn't. It was sagging at least 3/4 of an inch. So I got that board from the millwork. I finished it off, but it didn't match at all, so I'm gonna go over it with the old piece as the trim board. I'm gonna glue it and nail it with finish nails so that the color is the same. Yeah, and I'll put these trim blocks back up there and everything will be fine. It'll be fine. I'll show you what it looks like on the outside. Yeah, the roof doesn't have a gap in it anymore. So, and I jacked it up with a bar stool that was on a screw, and I put a extra piece of black pipe. You can see that that's tight now. That's tight as a drum, and I'll be able to level the trailer now because I'm at least a 2-inch pitch. You hardly notice it, but I want it level. Yeah, I want to level the trailer out. So let me show you the pipe that I used to jack up the center. I jacked it up, and they hardly used any screws. You can see I used a lot of screws like that. Those were 3-inch screws into the wood framing member. I was afraid it was going to be steel and I'd have to get special screws, but you see the pipe that I used to jack it up? Yeah, I just jacked it up until I got it where I wanted it, and then I screwed the 1x6 on that I got from the millwork. It's a piece of oak because that's the only thing that's strong enough, and I screwed the hell out of it, and now I'm putting the trim boards on, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Wow, Bill.